Hi Tony, this is Brittany. I promised I'd provide you a video with some tips and tricks on how to optimize your website and increase your online presence. So today I'm going to go over 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So the first thing I'm going to do is go over the content on your home page. Right now I'm looking for the number of words your home page has and also for any keywords. I don't see a whole lot of keywords. I would guess you have about 50 to 100, maybe 150 words on your homepage. Now we do suggest 1,500 to 2,000 words, depending on competition and number of keywords needed. So a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And in your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So for example, I went ahead and I typed in to Google flooring installation Atlanta, Georgia, which is one of the services you offer, and the location where you are. So this keyword is location and service based, which is what you want to have throughout your website. So the first thing that comes up are these local ads, these Google Guarantee local ads. And these are really great. They have a high conversion rate of 40 to 60%. And below that, we have ads. And 5 to 10% of people will choose one of these ads to go on for their services. Not shown is the Google Map Pack, and this is where you have some businesses listed and the Google Map picture of the area on the right. And 30% of consumers will choose one of the businesses there. Now, 60 to 70% of consumers will choose a business or service on the front page here on the organic search results. So I was looking at this front page and I grabbed one of your competitors, flooringatlanta.com, and I was looking at their content as well. They don't have a whole lot on their front page. I would maybe guess around 50 words or so on their home page. But definitely I would increase the content with lots of good location service-based keywords for your homepage and throughout your website as well. So moving on, I would like to show you, this here is a page program that I use to research websites and to perform analysis on them. We have right here a DR rating and a UR rating. A DR rating is essentially a power rating that Google gives your website, and a UR rating is a trust rating. And both of these things are raised by backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another. And these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So it's like a popularity contest. However, the best backlinks are those that are relevant to your industry and services and that are local websites. Those will work the best. So you definitely want some quality backlinks. You guys have 101 backlinks. Your competition, Flooring Atlanta, has 539. And because they have more than you, not only in the quantity but also quality, they have a higher trust rating. That's 29, where yours is 23. So you definitely want to get your backlinks up. And remember, those need to be quality backlinks so that your UR rating can increase, which will also increase where your website lands on the organic search results. Alright, so we've gone over content and backlinks. Third thing I want to go over are citations. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google Business profile. And citations help you rank in the Map Pack, which I talked about before a little bit ago, which is extremely important for local businesses since that can generate huge amounts of revenue to be found on the Map Pack. Citations include directories like Yelp, Better Business Bureau, there's hundreds of others, and social media accounts also. But the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. And once Google sees you more often than your competitors, the more likely it is that you can rank above them. So you guys have 28 citations, and your competitor, Flooring Atlanta, has 91. So I don't recommend just matching this number. I would increase it to probably 200 or so you guys can start ranking in the Google Map Pack and also beat your competitors. Alright, so we've gone over content, backlinks, and citations. And you'll be able to start to outgrow your competitors once you optimize those things. And here's why you might think it's super important and worth it for sure. So looking at the traffic that they have coming to their website organically, and that's a ton of traffic that they're getting per month. Looking at yours, we do not have any. That just means that you're not ranking in Google high enough to be found by consumers looking for your services. So definitely I would recommend those things, getting your content up with lots of location and service-based keywords, increasing your backlinks in quality and quantity, and also increasing your citations. Alright, well I just wanted to show this to you to provide some valuable educational content on how to strengthen your online presence and to also strengthen your website. Thank you so much for allowing me to serve you. I hope this was helpful. I'd appreciate some feedback. My contact information is in my signature below in my email. I hope to hear from you soon, and have a good day.